How to change address on Amazon after order. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can change your address on Amazon after order, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to change your address on Amazon after ordering the product, there are a couple of things you have to understand. Let's say you open the Amazon app and then you inputted an incorrect location or your delivery address. Now one thing you have to understand is that there is no way you can actually change or edit the delivery location of the product that you've already ordered and paid. So there are two things you can do. You can either cancel the order, get a refund, and then make another order with the proper location. To do that, you can just come to this account page here and then just go to this your orders tab, select an order that you would like to cancel, see if it is still eligible for cancellation and cancel it accordingly. If you're lucky, you can cancel the order. But the other is, if just in case you don't happen to do that, you have to simply contact the customer service. To contact the customer service, tap the three lines option here, tap on customer service option here, and once you do that, just select a region as to what kind of issues that you're having, such as you're having issues with international shopping, so you can select free shipping and whatever else that you're actually having issues with. Contact the customer support. I'll also make sure to drop a number down below, and then you should be able to get help with your queries. This way you'll be able to change the address on Amazon after order. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.